Give it away. Come on, you're not going to really tease people that hard, are you?
I am.
Oh, my goodness. That's not fair. But it is the first one.
You gotta watch the episode and then you'll get the answer.
No.
You think the first one is
They're not
what?
watching the wrong show. Tell them the truth.
Which one?
It's the first one.
The first one is what? The AI or the real
AI.
me?
The first one's AI.
No, okay.
Right?
Yes.
Yeah, I think because you just kind of tell enough that, you know, like the real you and just kind of your mannerisms,
But
I think.
The biggest thing is, you know what, it makes you doubt yourself.
Oh, yeah.
We're coming to a point you don't even know what to believe anymore, and that's what it's all about.
Well, the Tom Cruise, Brad Pitt fight scene.
Look how real that looks.
I couldn't tell that one at all.
At
I mean,
all.
that one was so well done.
Yes.
So, but we're not going to wipe out mankind. That's not true. That's not going to happen. We're still a step ahead. If you want to hear about it, it's the NVIDIA CEO. He breaks it down for us pretty good too. He's on some podcasts. All right, let's talk about a Pick City forecast for your Thursday. Baby Friday is one day away. And so you're starting to make plans for the weekend. Here we go. New Braunfels, Texas on a Thursday. We're looking good. A little bit of fog. In fact, we're going to take a look at the visibility forecast because that will be an issue for all of us, including New Braunfels tomorrow morning. Partly sunny skies. Look at how warm tomorrow. 85 degrees, even in New Braunfels. Rodeo, San Antonio. It's time. Tonight's the night, and you can see skies will be partly to mostly cloudy by probably I would say 10 to 11 p.m. Right now, we're partly cloudy. Temperatures are going to stay on the warm side, probably mid-60s at midnight. Skies are kind of dominated with the clouds today, but no rainfall to speak of in any direction, even though we've got the clouds. So what happens in these kind of cloudy setups? Beautiful sunsets like we saw yesterday. Cameras ready. Send them to me at btaylor@kens5.com. That's what KENS 5 eyewitness Jen and Max did. A beautiful Pipe Creek sunset last night. Mid-70s right now, so this isn't too bad. 79 at Hondo's pretty warm. Some lower 80s down to the south and west, but we're warming up a bit come tomorrow. But what I want to point out is what happens on the overnight lows. See, as we go down to about 64 or 65, watch what happens to the dew point. It's going to be in the same neighborhood, 63, 64. And so whenever you're cooling to the dew point, you're going to have 100% humidity and the atmosphere will condense at the surface. That means we're getting fog tomorrow morning. Visibility right now about half a mile. You can see it out Highway 90, out I-10, maybe 281 north. Really doesn't look too bad east and southeast, which is not typically the case. That's usually where it gets a little bit thicker. Now, take a look at wind speeds because this is a key factor. And if we get them under 10 miles per hour, which they will be, we should see some fog. But by the afternoon on Thursday, we get rid of the cloud cover and look at how warm, mid-80s for us, some 90s definitely off to the south. That's because we've got this ridge of high pressure and a zonal flow pattern. And notice we get that one system that passed by to the north. It's not looking too good on getting a good chance of rain as that system moves through. It's looking like Friday, Saturday, and it's only about a 10% to 20% chance at best if we're lucky. So tomorrow, I'll go with 84 with mostly sunny skies after the morning fog. Then a 10% chance Friday, Saturday of some much needed rain. But obviously don't count on it with a 90% chance we stay dry. We're going to cool off a little bit on Sunday. Now, this is a seasonal day. This is a February winter day, 67 the high after a low of 45. Same on Monday as we bottom out with this air mass behind that system at 42 to even 41 on Tuesday, the 24th. But notice how fast we warm right back up. On Thursday, the 26th, we'll bring in a slight chance of rain, and that's going to be with the next front that cools us off a little bit as we head into Friday, Saturday. Well, Saturday, we bounce right back up for the final day of February.